Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You'll begin by acting immediately. Remove any loose debris and add hot tap water to cover the stained area. Sprinkle 1 to 2 tablespoons of baking soda into the water. This raises pH and loosens burnt residues. Bring the pan to a gentle simmer for 5 to 10 minutes so heat and baking soda break bonds. Once done, turn off heat and let the pan cool for about 10 minutes so residues soften. This is the fastest way to make the stain removable. Once cooled and drained, sprinkle a dry layer of baking soda directly on the stained area to provide abrasive action without scratching. You should scrub with a non-scratch pad or a nylon brush using firm, circular strokes. Pressure matters more than speed because you're breaking up residue. If a spot resists, apply a paste of baking soda and a splash of white vinegar. It fizzes and lifts carbonized bits. Make sure to rinse intermittently to check progress and avoid over-scrubbing the finish. Finish by rinsing thoroughly and drying immediately to prevent water spots. Buff the surface with a microfiber cloth and a touch of olive oil to restore shine. For rainbow discoloration or stubborn mineral stains, use a small amount of Barkeeper's Friend and follow product directions. Apply, wait, then rinse. If stains persist, repeat the baking soda paste and bring to a gentle boil one more time. If that still fails, try a mild stainless steel cleaner. Troubleshoot tip: avoid steel wool, use repeat.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.